In a discovery that sounds like something straight out of Jurassic Park, scientists have unearthed what could be one of the most astonishing paleontological finds in modern history. A mummified dinosaur hatchling perfectly preserved in amber for nearly 100 million years. This unprecedented level of preservation has stunned researchers and reignited debates over ancient DNA, dinosaur evolution, and even the future of de-extinction technology. Could its cells hold secrets that rewrite what we know about the age of dinosaurs? Could the world be standing on the edge of a scientific revolution, one trapped inside a drop of fossilized tree sap? The fossil, encased in golden, translucent resin no larger than a human fist, is so exquisitely preserved that it shows not only skeletal structure, but fragments of skin, fine feathers, and even remnants of soft tissue. Could this be the best preserved dinosaur ever discovered? At first, the specimen looked like a typical tree resin fossil, perhaps containing insects or ancient plant material. This is the story of the mummified dinosaur in amber that shocked the world. Chapter 1. The discovery that changed everything. It began, as many great discoveries do, with a chance find. In 2024, a team of researchers in Myanmar's Hukong Valley, a known hotspot for ancient amber deposits, uncovered an unusually large piece of amber at a small excavation site. The tiny vertebrate preserved inside is believed to be a member of a small group of theropod dinosaurs known as Oviraptorsauria, or Enantiornithines. While most dinosaur fossils are flattened and incomplete, often found as fragments of bones or sets of teeth, amber is preserved whole. Unlike fossils created through mineralization in sedimentary rock, she wasn't crushed or decayed. She was suspended in time, her delicate features untouched by the ravages of millions of years. These flying and flightless dinosaurs were common in the fossil-rich Johol group of northeastern China and southern Myanmar. The preservation was so clear that visible details included delicate protofeathers on the limbs and tail, translucent scales and skin on the belly, closed eyelids and preserved eye structure, and possibly even the outline of internal organs. It offers a unique window into the Cretaceous period, specifically the mid-Cretaceous, around 99 million years ago, when the planet was dominated by dinosaurs. But upon closer inspection, what lay inside was unmistakably something far more rare: the tiny, contorted form of a baby dinosaur, curled like a bird chick within the amber's golden grip. It emerged into a world much like today's tropical regions, with dense rainforests, high humidity, and warm temperatures. The fossil was nicknamed Amber by the International Research Team, a name now etched into scientific history. Scientists can now directly observe how early feathers evolved, not just for flight, but for insulation and display. The presence of both feathers and reptilian scales also bridges gaps in our understanding of dinosaur bird evolution. As the resin hardened, it sealed the hatchling inside a golden tomb, excluding oxygen and halting decomposition. Early analysis suggests that fragments of collagen and keratin proteins remain within the tissue. The orientation of the limbs, the beak-like snout, and undeveloped claws also provide a clearer picture of development stages. In small theropods, while the survival of full DNA strands is highly unlikely, the discovery raises hopes that biochemical signatures can be extracted, offering clues to cellular structure, metabolism, and even pigment. Some researchers whisper cautiously about the possibility of recovering partial DNA sequences, an idea once thought entirely impossible. If confirmed, it would be the closest we've ever come to touching dinosaur genetics. At nearly 100 million years old, amber may hold tiny fragments of genetic information, but not enough to recreate a living animal. For dinosaurs, such sticky sap would have been a death trap, much like it is for insects today. Projects like the hypothetical Chickenosaurus experiment aim to reactivate dormant dinosaur traits in birds, such as tails, claws, or teeth, through genetic engineering. Images of the amber-encased dinosaur circulated globally, igniting discussions among scientists and the public. The research team responded by pledging transparency, publishing their findings in the prestigious journal Nature, and calling for strict ethical guidelines in fossil acquisition. They partnered with UNESCO and local governments to promote responsible excavation and preservation. Chapter 2. A window into the Cretaceous. Her preservation in amber provides a unique opportunity to study dinosaur biology, behavior, and ecology, offering a glimpse into the past that was previously unimaginable. The discovery of a mummified hatchling trapped in amber is a monumental event for paleontologists. The amber itself has been dated to this time. The research team is re-examining existing amber collections worldwide, hoping to find overlooked treasures that might rewrite our understanding of dinosaurs. The presence of a mummified hatchling suggests that similar specimens could exist. A hatchling, doomed to die in the instant it began to live, unknowingly carried a gift to the future, the most intimate look we've ever had into the life of a dinosaur. And while we may never walk with dinosaurs, through her, we may understand them better than ever before. What makes this find astonishing is its three-dimensional preservation. Chapter 3. How did a dinosaur get trapped in amber? The preservation of this dinosaur is exceptional and can be attributed to a rare series of events. First, a small theropod dinosaur hatched from its egg during the mid-Cretaceous period. As it ventured into the undergrowth, the hatchling, attracted by the resin, either climbed a tree or brushed against a branch using resin. The hatchling struggled, squirmed and flapped its wings and legs, but the more it moved, the more resin it picked up, enveloping its body in a suffocating grip. Over eons, heat and pressure transformed the resin into amber, locking the dinosaur in an eternal embrace. Chapter 4. Unparalleled Scientific Insights. The discovery of amber opens doors to unparalleled scientific insights. Here are some of the ways amber is revolutionizing our understanding of dinosaurs. 1. Soft tissue and feather evolution. The feathers on the specimen are incredibly detailed, displaying branching structures and pigmentation patterns. 2. Organic molecules and possible DNA. 3. Behavior and anatomy. The curled posture of the hatchling suggests it died in a resting or sleeping position, possibly like a chick or hatchling bird. Chapter 5. The Jurassic Park question. Inevitably, whenever dinosaur DNA is mentioned, the question arises, can we clone it? While the fossil's preservation is unmatched, most scientists agree a full resurrection isn't possible. Yet, DNA degrades over time, and even in amber, it's believed that complete genomes can't survive more than 1 to 1.5 million years. However, this doesn't mean science is powerless. Researchers could use comparative genomics with birds, especially chickens, to identify matching gene sequences. Amber could become the most significant fossil reference in the attempt to unlock those ancient genes. Chapter 6. Global Reactions and Ethical Debates. The discovery of amber reverberated worldwide, sparking excitement, wonder, and debate. Initially, the fossil was kept secure in Myanmar pending further study and export permits. The find raised important ethical questions about the amber trade, particularly from conflict zones where illegal mining and fossil smuggling occur. Chapter 7. Could there be more? The discovery of amber begs the question, are there more mummified dinosaurs waiting to be found? Myanmar's amber mines are renowned for their rich deposits of Cretaceous fossils, including insects, plants, and vertebrates. Perhaps there are more complete individuals or even dinosaurs preserved in different postures or environments. Scientists are also exploring new excavation sites, focusing on areas known for amber preservation, such as Lebanon and Canada, where Cretaceous amber has yielded remarkable fossils. Final thoughts. A moment trapped in time. The image of amber, curled within her golden tomb, speaks to something deeper than science. She is a reminder of life's fragility, of a single moment caught forever in nature's resinous embrace. For paleontologists, amber is not just a fossil, it's a bridge across time, a message from a forgotten world.